Hi ladies, guess what? I have hair mail. It came in the box today. Woo-hoo. Let's try it out. HairDo by Hair You Wear. All right, let's see what she has for us here. Great everyday hair, it says. And I purchased it from namebrandwigs.com. And I've purchased from them before. They're in Minnesota, and they've always been great at returns as well as shipping, getting it here quickly. And this is what I'm going to try today. They have it inside out. The box, I'll show you. Some of the ladies like to see the inside of the box, how it unfolds. They had the invoice in there. Hello, welcome. How to put on beautiful new styles. Just a generic little promo. And it says send us an email if you have questions or call. Feel free to reach out. So that's nice. I like that. I'll set this box down here for now. And I'm not going to put a wig grip on today because we're talking about summer wigs. And I'd like to see, here, let me show you the tag too, how this feels for the summer. And I'm trying to have less weight on the head so it could be more cool, you know, and not be so hot. So possibly a wig grip won't be the answer for summer, but let's just try it out. Maybe we'll use bobby pins. I'll keep it turned inside out for a minute. And I'm excited about trying it on, but for you all, you want to see open wefting, which is nice for the summer. That's what I was looking for, okay? Open wefting, open wefting. Very little closure. Even the ear tabs are open weft. There's no extension in the nape, which might be cooler as well. Let's see if there's anything else here. We have adjustment tabs on the sides. So if we want to tighten or loosen it, we can. So we're going to shake it out and put it on. I'm going to dive in like every other time, okay? Take my glasses off this time. Dive in. Bring your thumbs around. Find those ear tabs if you can. Put them over your sideburn area, and then pull the nape of the neck down to the bottom nape underneath this bone, occipital bone. All right, let it rest right under there. Then the next thing you do is take both hands like this and just slightly wiggle this up to where it feels comfortable. And you can have a mirror on the side. It helps. And they say 4 fingers is what Patty's Pearls told me. 4 fingers up. 4 fingers up. And then style with your fingers. Put my mini pearl tag back there. Let me take a look. I can't see myself on there on the phone because my glasses are off. Oh, it's kind of a pretty color. Yeah. It is a perfect pixie. I want to see if you brush it forward. Oh, that's kind of cute. Get a full look when you brush it forward. What do you think, girls? Might be something you'll like for yourself, you know? It doesn't have a lot of movement because it's kind of a fitted neck, but I like that. I mean, that's the way I used to get my hair cut, is more fitted. And then on the top, I always like the longer pieces that you could style one way or another. And it's soft. I have no complaints on that. It's intended to go this way, which is how I generally part mine. And you can bring it down if you'd rather. And just go like this. You don't have to have a specific direction. Just let it lay the way it wants to. That's your best bet. Okay? If you want it down a little further, you don't want it too far down. Just a teeny bit further. I think that looks nice. Darn tag. I'm always fighting with something, huh? Now, I wanted to feel under here without that wig grip. There are some times when these adjustment Velcros have a buckle on them, and it, you know, just like a belt that has a buckle, you can weave it through and tighten it or loosen it. That's the type of situation I'm talking about on either side. And those seem to hit me right on the bone back here and irritate me. So if that's the case, I just use little cuticle scissors and clip that out, decide where I want it to hit for me, and just sew it, you know, one basting stitch with needle and thread, and you're done, you know. So it's fine, and then that doesn't bother me. So just be aware of it. It's no big deal. I kind of like it. It's not bad. It's more conservative. I kind of feel like a librarian, which is not a bad thing. Right, Molly? Molly Larson. She has a channel also, and she reviews wigs and chats with the ladies like I do. And we've become friends through YouTube, and she just seems like a great girl. So anyway, she was a librarian. I think she's retired now. I'm not positive, but I think so. So anyway. Now this one's not rooted, but darker colors when they're not rooted don't bother me as much. When blondes aren't rooted a little bit or have variation, that sometimes looks a little more artificial for me, and I'd rather have a little bit of different root growth or regrowth. So you might feel that way too. I wanted to share with you a little silly little nugget. It's a rock I picked up and painted, and I like to leave these out in the public, you know, let's say Wendy's drive-through, or where they park, or outside a church or a nursing home, and just let someone find a little message like that to brighten their day. I know it's mushy, but it's what I can do. And I look for things like that I can do. So just know I love you guys, and I'm thinking about you and hoping to hear all your comments. Good, bad, ugly, whatever. I can take it. And you can too. Don't be afraid of going out in public and showing your new looks. The more comfortable you are with yourself, the more comfortable others will be around you. They want to know what's new with you, and tell them, celebrate it. You know, you found a solution. That's wonderful. It's a good day. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you, 2,000 subscribers plus. Yay! I hope you become one if you haven't yet.